All right, here's a head turner. Let's check out this street rod. Nice looking truck, 1949 Chevrolet street rod pickup, and look at that color. Look at the reflection off of that showroom behind me. I'd call this a cobalt blue metallic. Paint on it is nice. As you can see, chrome bright work also nice in the front here. Really pops, that chrome pops on that bright blue. Now as far as the paint, you may find a few little chips. If I can get them to even stand out. Some real tiny up front. So I mean it has been driven and it's set up to drive too. I'll get into the powertrain amenities on this truck. I mean, it's an old body style, old body on it, 1949, but running gear, modern amenities on this one. Underneath the hood, 5.3 liter later model GM V8 engine, and that is paired up with an automatic and overdrive transmission for taking it down the highway, and this one runs nice. We'll fire it up. Let's check out that engine bay. So along with that 5.3 underneath the hood and the modern amenities, you're going to get power steering, power brakes, AC. So a nice setup underneath there. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you're able to take a look underneath this truck, check out the bed, the interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. You got all angles of the truck. Check out pictures up close. Easy enough. Just that link down below this video in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Interior is a gray vinyl setup. Seat belts for 3 in it. Shifter on the floor. Kept the dash very stock looking. But you do have Classic Industries gauges. You have a retro style radio. As you can see, more modern tilt column over there. Turn signal switch on it and everything. So check that out in the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. We can assist with transportation of this truck. Financing is available, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We also have service technicians in the back shop that look this truck over before it goes on line or on our showroom floor. You can consult with your sales associate about that also. I know some of the things they did to this truck. Does have a new battery in it, new plugs, ignition wires. It's a little bit of a tune-up done on this one when it came in. Clear title on this, titled as a 1949 Chevy. I know up front there's a stabilizer bar. I mean, this is set up to take down the road, so check out those underside pics. You can see how nicely finished the box is. Fuel cell located in the back. That'd be the fill in the box right there. There's pictures of all that. And again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And again, look at the side of that cab and the reflection coming off of it. Showroom behind me, so you know this paint has a nice luster to it. Riding on US Mag wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around. So again, nice safe setup too. Again, the more modern amenities to it. All right, and I do have pictures with the floor mats out in the still pictures, carpeting, everything in nice shape on this. Door panels, also nice shape. Vinyl seats, free of rips, tears, wear. Headliner, also nicely done. All right, I'm just gonna reach in and start this up. So we're fuel injected. I also played around with the windshield wipers. Wipers work. Check out the Classic Industry gauges. Nice look in this truck. The 4 inset on the one side, speedometer on the other. 9789 as far as the odometer. I believe that's the miles since the build, although it's kind of tough to confirm that because with a truck this age it will not stay on the title or anything like that once it's restored. Made into a street rod. Controllers, point those out down here for AC. Then you have your vents down below also. So again, very nice setup. See how easily it started, how nicely this runs. no crazy exhaust. I believe it was Flowmasters underneath there, if I remember right from the pictures. Alright, I'm going to swing up to the front here. I want to pause this a second, and let's take a look underneath the hood. See how that engine bay looks. Alright, there's that more modern GM small block. See a cold air intake, kind of custom, done out of aluminum it looks like. Aluminum radiator, electric fan. Nice overflow setup on it also. Not just running straight to the ground. Power brakes, power steering of course. Now this does say 6.0 Vortec, you'll see that in the pictures. It is not, I stated 5.3. Late model GM small block. Nice clean setup underneath there. There you go, you're looking for a classic Chevy body style. Here it is, 1949 Chevrolet pickup into a street rod. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the website. Phone number 507-386-1726. Remember, we can assist with transportation. Financing is available. Of course, we do consider trades, and this truck may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.